Meow, meow. Now is activity hand. Hello friends, let's see the recipe for homemade clay. For that we need a cup of maida, half cup of salt, water, glue, mixing bowl and colors. Add a cup of maida into the mixing bowl. Now add half cup of salt. Now add quarter cup of glue to the mixture. Pour some water and make it a dough. Grease your hand with oil and knead the dough. Divide into portions and mix the color you want. Keep kneading until you get a smooth texture. Tada! Clay is ready. Store the clay in airtight containers in the fridge. Happy clay modeling. Bye.